how can a point source polluter under the Clean Water Act request an exception or a variance from the Clean Water Act's requirements? There are two primary variances that the EPA will grant. The first is an economic justification, and it looks to the best available technology requirement. That is, that the polluter choose the best or have a process for choosing the best available technology for discharging the least amount of pollutant possible. If this is too costly, too expensive, outside the economic ability of the firm to meet these standards, it effectively adjusts the standards. The EPA will take this into consideration and allow them to find the best practical technology within their ability, as long as that they can show that their use of technology still is moving toward a reduction in pollution in accordance with state requirements. So if they can show this, it'll effectively adjust the standard for them and is granted based on their economic ability to implement the best technology. Okay. And another one is a process justification, and they call it a fundamentally different factor variance. Okay. And what it's saying is that there's a fundamentally different factor. It's either the cost or the operations of the facility or some other factor that is fundamentally different than the factors considered by the regulators when passing the guidelines for discharge pollution. Okay. So this best practical technology or best available technology standard should be lowered even further because, again, they're discharging the factors that go into what they do are different from those factors considered. And again, this could be a cost consideration or the equipment that it requires to undertake this level of or to comply with this level of regulation. But it doesn't look at the ability of the firm to actually pay. It just looks at cost and operational aspects as the factors for consideration in whether to grant a variance to the requesting discharge or polluter.